What's going on, everybody? ShakesNastBreaks.com. We got a one-box personal break for Shane. 2015 Tier 1 Asia Edition Baseball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. Which one you want, buddy? Matt, there you go, Shane, by the way. Mod Hammer dropped. Boom! He wants number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. Another tip, don't unload the dishwasher with your 2-year-old in the kitchen. My son grabbed a huge knife from the dishwasher and literally ran all the way around the island into the living room and dove into the couch. It's a miracle he didn't stab himself. Here we go, Shane. Good luck. Here we go. Why is Breakers choppy right now? What the hell's going on with it? Here we go, dude. Good luck. First card for the Washington Nationals. Steven Strasburg, number to 399. Next card to 399, Marcus Stroman autograph for the Blue Jays. And wow, very nice. Patch auto. This is 1 per case, I think. Rusney Castillo to 99 patch autograph. It's a cool patch. There it is. There it is. Thank you so much, Moose. Shane, you the man.